Myofascial rolling is not for everyone. There are precautions and contraindications, which you will need to take note of at the end of this video or in my post. Basically, rolling is meant to relieve tissue tension and induce tissue movement. It can cause bruising if done too aggressively. It can also do other things that you would need to consult with your doctor before attempting. Rolling is meant to be used as a warm-up or cool down. When used as a warm-up, it prepares the tissues for the activity that's involved. When it's used as a cool down, it helps relieve tension that may have been created during the workout. Either way, you can't go wrong. I prefer it as my warm-up. Research shows that you should roll at least 2 days a week for 4 weeks to see the most benefit. Ideally, you should be rolling 2 to 5 days a week from here on out because your body's going to change the more you do it. It also gets easier and less painful the more you give it a try. Timing is important. You should be rolling 2 to 5 seconds per muscle, ideally about 90 seconds per muscle group. To do your whole body or the target areas for that workout, it should only take about 10 to 15 minutes total. So it's not asking you to do a lot to prep your body for what you want to accomplish. Form, as with any workout, is important. Do not allow your lower back to sag, just like you wouldn't allow it to sag in a plank. You wouldn't allow your shoulders to relax whenever you're trying to plank. You don't allow your shoulders to relax when you're rolling. If it looks like it's a workout move, then you're doing it right on the roller. Larger rollers and softer rollers are a beginner's best bet. It doesn't matter which type of roller you use, it just matters that you use it. Start large, start soft, and then work your way down from there. Smaller isn't always better. Harder is not always better. For certain muscle groups or certain days, you may need a different roller. If you're new to working out and you're new to rolling, then you may not be able to do all of the traditional rolling protocol. You can still do the same thing from a chair or using a wall to assist. 1 leg at a time is also as good as 2. Start small, build up.